Hey guys, this is Jordan and Jeff, and if we're together, that means we're talking about Prohormones. So today we're going to be talking about the top 3 beginner Prohormones for bulking up. Normally, when people are thinking about bulking, it is kind of, you got to be careful, especially if you're a beginner, because some of the compounds can cause different side effects, and just seems like cutting Prohormones are just safer in a lot of people's opinion.
It's the least side effect.
Exactly.
Yes.
Especially with the 4 andros. But today, because a lot of people are possibly going on their first bulk, we are going to discuss the top 3. So let's begin here with the Brutal Force by Blackstone Labs. Very popular, straight 4-andro, but give us a little bit more information on that.
Yeah, so Brutal Force, so just to give a breakdown, 4-andros convert to testosterone. It's precursor to testosterone, so that's going to be a wet compound. So any wet compound is going to be, again, for a bulk. It's going to put size, strength, hold a little bit more water retention, give you that kind of puffiness. So Brutal Force gives you 65 milligrams of a 4-DHEA blend. So it's going to have 3 different esters attached to it. Ones that are immediate release and some that are slower release. So you always have an inflow of testosterone coming in. It's taken twice per day, so you get a total amount of 130 milligrams of the 4-andro. So 130 milligrams of testosterone coming in. Now again, 4-andros are wet compounds, so expect to have a little bit more size, strength. Definitely this is one that you want to look out for side effects because, again, if you are taking in testosterone, you have what's called the aromatase conversion, which is essentially the conversion of testosterone to estrogen. So again, if you start having water retention, it normally means your estrogen is a little bit higher. If you start having any effects like nipple sensitivity, acne, mood swings, maybe start looking at something like an aromatase or an Eradicate. Those are going to be estrogen blockers. So that's going to block that conversion and keep that water retention and keep those side effects down lower.
Yeah, we usually tell people, if you're going to get that, and a lot of people are going to be scared by those side effects, don't always just jump on one, because there's no reason to crash your estrogen for no reason.
Yep.
The side effects that Jordan gave, those are the things to wait for. If that happens, then jump on it, but don't just go in crashing that estrogen level.
Absolutely.
Next is Dianabol. Now this is going to be the first blend we're talking about, a very popular one. And why would this be considered bulking?
So when you look at Dianabol, there's a lot of stuff in here. Total milligrams actually per one tablet is 575 milligrams, but there's a lot of filler things in here. But just to give you an idea, the actual hormone in here is the 3-B-hydroxyandrosten 1,4-DN. It's essentially very similar to like high-tech pharmaceuticals, equipoise. It's a 1,4-andro, so that's going to convert to something called boldenone. Now, boldenone is a mass builder.
It's an amazing mass builder.
It's an amazing mass builder because the biggest side effect of boldenone is increased appetite. So when you take something like this or you take something like equipoise, you're going to notice that your hunger is going to be out of control, which is essential if you're trying to put on size because you need to be eating in a higher calorie. You need to be eating more calories than you're burning. That's how you're going to put on weight. That's how you're going to put on mass, size, and strength. So because this increases your appetite, this is perfect to add to any bulking stack. Again, increase more calories. Now, that's the hormone side. There's other ingredients in here, like a laxogenin, raponticum, carthamordes. You get turcosterone in there, the 5-methy, 7-isoflavone. You got a lot of natural anabolics in there that are going to help block myostatin, increase protein synthesis, basically put your body in a state where it can build muscle at a faster rate. So this is much better when you're trying to put on size and strength. As a standalone, I would stack this with something more relevant to like a 4-andro, having some sort of testosterone base. Yeah, this would actually be like a really good first time bulking cycle.
All right, there we go on that one. Okay, so this one, I don't know. I don't know if I totally agree that this is beginner, but I guess it can be. I mean, it's got ingredients in that can help, support like a beginner on this one. So Methaquad Extreme, and this one is a 4-in-1, and I looking at the ingredients again, I can see why this could be a beginner because it does give you a lot of assistance, and but it's definitely for bulking. So why do you consider this a beginner Prohormone?
Yeah, so more or less bulking, lean muscle mass. So it's a 4-in-1. It kind of gives you everything that you need. So the first ingredient is androsterone, which is a very mild hormone. So it kind of acts very quickly. This is why they recommend you take it pre-workout because it's going to hit you and it's out of your system within a few hours. But that's going to give you a burst of size, strength, adrenaline, drive while you're working out. The main compounds in here are the 1 and 4 andro. So 1 andro, convert to 1 testosterone, you get 50 milligrams. That's a dry compound, so that's going to build lean muscle mass. But then you pair that with 50 milligrams of the 4 andro, which again turns to testosterone. So like brutal force is 65, but you get 50 out of this one. Now they do put actually 50 milligrams of androsterone 3,5, which is auristatin. Yep. So this, you would not eat an estrogen blocker because it's already built in to the actual product. So this is going to keep water retention down. So realistically, yeah, you could use this on a bulk. It's more of a, I would say realistically like a dry bulk, because you got a dry hormone and you got an estrogen blocker. So that's going to be taking a lot of the water retention that comes out of it. But yeah, that's pretty much it with Methaquad. So this is better on a standalone. If you're more advanced, you can stack like a Decadurbon, Decabon, or an Abnormal. But as like a first time use, you want to try this, just take this alone. It's 1 tablet per day, and I would do it like an hour before you work out.
Okay. All right. All right, everybody. So we've got Brutal Force by Blackstone Labs, High-Tech Pharmaceuticals Dianabol, and Blackstone Labs Methaquad Extreme as our top 3 bulking prohormones for beginners. So hopefully this answered a ton of your questions. Jordan was very knowledgeable in this. But if you do have more, please give us a call, chat with us, post it down below. We're always here to answer those questions. Jordan, thanks for answering them.
Absolutely.
And I'm Jeff, and that's Best Price Nutrition.